Inheritance is a responsibility. Innovation is a pursuit. Leading is a strength. Finish printing. Inheritance, innovation, leading, creating the future. Who designs the soul of engineering projects with blueprints? Who draws the outline of the world by building one building after another? Who works in the dust and fulfills his or her heroic promise? China Tiesiju Civil Engineering Group Company Limited, CTCE, is a whole industry chain operator integrating planning, design, investment, financing, construction, building operation, and management in the building construction market. It is both one of the Fortune Global 500 and one of the world's 500 most influential brands. It is the only flagship subsidiary of China Railway Group Limited, and its comprehensive strength is the best in the industry. CTCE has constructed many railway projects, and the total length of the constructed railways is 18,000 kilometers, which accounts for 1/7 of China's current total constructed railway length. It is a railway construction enterprise with the widest specialty coverage in China. Apart from its outstanding comprehensive strength and advanced technical capacity, it is also the only construction enterprise to win Class A quality credit rating for railway projects 19 times. CTCE has constructed many high-level highways, including Jinan-Qingdao, Beijing-Zhuhai, Daqing-Guangzhou, and Chuanzhou-Xiamen Highway. It has core technology competence in the asphalt pavement construction field. It has taken a monopoly position in the field of automobile proving ground. It has constructed some water-related environment protection projects, including Shanghai Bailonggang Sewage Treatment Plant, which is the largest sewage treatment plant in the world. CTCE has constructed urban rail transportation construction projects in over 30 cities, including Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou, and its market share is the highest in China. CTCE owns various large construction equipment and special equipment, 9,800 sets of equipment in total. The total power of all the equipment is 1.0 million kilowatt. Its annual sales have exceeded USD 11 billion. Even with a total investment of USD 4 billion, it still has a cash flow of more than USD 2 billion and has kept a record of 0 loans for many consecutive years. Its bank credit line is as high as USD 8.5 billion. CTCE has successfully won the highest honors in the Chinese construction industry, including 19 Luban Prizes, 23 Tianyao Civil Engineering Prizes, and 21 National Quality Engineering Awards. CTCE has state-level innovative platforms like its high-tech enterprise, national recognized enterprise technology center, and postdoctoral workstation. It can provide one-stop services including consultation, design, financing, building, operation for clients. Targeting the overseas markets, CTCE has spread its footprints all over more than 30 countries in Asia, Africa, and South America, and it has built Nepalese banks, Mongolian roads, Ethiopian roads, Angolan social housing, Venezuelan railways, Indonesian Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway, and so on. Its projects have been praised by the owners and widely recognized by the public. It has established a good image for Chinese enterprises. Self-developing and benefiting society is the vivid interpretation of CTCE's corporate mission. CTCE carries out many livelihood projects, such as improving social employment, upgrading workforce skills, disaster relief, free medical assistance, and donations for education, which reflects its exemplary practices in fulfilling social responsibilities. CTCE has moved from a good state to a great state and set a good example showing its great achievements. The story behind the achievements is the persistent devotion of its 23,000 hardworking employees. CTCE has developed for 65 years and accumulated its culture. The corporate style of being rigorous, pragmatic, unified, and innovative has been instilled into every employee's mind. They are a group of pragmatic and active experts who have won the purpose of improving their design blueprints gradually. They are a creditable and honest, responsible team with the purpose of fulfilling their solemn promises to customers. They are a group of brave people who do not dread the fatiguing climb of gaining the technical summits with a purpose of constantly refreshing the heights people see from in the world. They always pursue the spirit of the craftsman and greatly inherit the scientific business administration, advanced systems, and pragmatic cultures. Innovation is the soul of progress and the foundation for leadership. What is more, it is an inexhaustible motive force that makes enterprises flourish and grow. CTCE is prepared for difficulties in the smooth development period. It pragmatically keeps moving ahead, constantly improves itself, and transcends. Targeting the transformation from a traditional enterprise to a modern enterprise. It vigorously promotes the transformation and upgrade of the management, technology, talent, business models, corporate culture, and so on. It has been the first to develop the cost management and control system. It has initiated BIM technology application in railways, roads, and water-related services, and established the first construction consortiums for underground urban pipe gallery and the Sponge City with the industry's top organizations. It actively researches, develops, and popularizes the steel structure fabricated housing building technology and promotes technological innovation in the architectural engineering field. It was the first to establish a management research institute, a corporate university, a campus for cultivating new types of talent, a knowledge processing plant, a learning ecosphere, and a talent development and support system that matches corporate strategies. It vigorously implements the strategy of developing the enterprise through cultural development and realizing the leapfrog development of the enterprise by promoting the classics of traditional Chinese culture. It has vigorously promoted the construction of the Happiness Project Department, actively developed the pension industry, and greatly increased the happiness index of employees. Yesterday, CTCE was a strong construction team with brilliant achievements and rich corporate culture. Today, it is a respected and reliable partner with guiding industry development and improving human environment as its eternal mission. With the rapid development of reform and opening as a leader in the Chinese construction industry, CTCE has abundant experience in construction, technology, and management, as well as prominent capital advantages. It hopes to cooperate and share with its partners from all over the world to realize mutual benefit and win-win results. Time is changing, space is changing, and everything is changing except the spirit of being aggressive and persistent and the belief of producing competitive products and benefiting society through CTCE. CTCE has left its stories behind and is moving forward on a clear path, looking forward to a bright future. Inheritance, innovation, and leading are the driving force of CTCE development and the most powerful force turning CTCE into a first-rate enterprise and century-old company.